So have you ever driven anything like this before?
No, it's the first time.
How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, a bit nervous, but very excited.
JLR is a strong supporter of the armed forces community, and the F-types we're building today are being donated to Mission Motorsport. All F-types excite the senses, but the two that are landing here today are really special. So we wanted to make it feel extra special by involving the guys from Mission Motorsport and also our wounded, injured, sick veterans in building the cars.
So today we're at Castle Bromwich with Jaguar, and we're helping assemble the two F-types which JLR have kindly donated to Mission Motorsport. We have to get injured people sort of come and talk to us, come and interact with us, and it's one of the principal means we use to get people to come and interact with us and to start the voyage of recovery back into work. So it's a hugely important thing and very kind of Jaguar Land Rover to do that for us.
I was blown up in a Jaguar vehicle about 3.5 months into my tour. I shattered both my feet and then went through 2 years of rehabilitation trying to walk again, and then unfortunately in 2014 lost my leg below the knee. So one of my fellow soldiers, Steve Bolton, was on that patrol with me that day. Fortunately lost the leg. 6 years on, I never thought that I'd have been here today putting cars together with Stephen, and it's been an amazing experience.
Well, obviously in the forces I was in Afghanistan, working as a team, obviously being injured, getting discharged. I didn't know where to go. One of my friends said to me, I'll try Jaguar Land Rover because they're really good with ex-military lads.
A genuinely life-changing experience the last year or so, starting to work for JLR. That changes your perception on what is possible and what you can do, and allows you to challenge yourself.
To be working on this car really means a lot. As I came through Mission Motorsport, I was sort of immediately introduced to the Armed Forces team in Jaguar Land Rover, and for me, it's actually amazing.
My challenge is to get those cars into the hands of beneficiaries in order to turn people's lights back on. The motorsport program is all about getting people off the sofa, inspiring them, getting them to come and engage, be part of team activity.
Now they're getting state-of-the-art, full-blown sports cars straight off the production line from Jaguar Land Rover. All we've got to do is drive them out of this factory, off the production line, and go and deliver them to the guys at Mission Motorsport.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.